On a Phasm show, we're exploring. What is this called?
Bread.
A semmet.
No.
No.
Semmet is a bagel.
Then what is this? A hybrid?
Turkish bread.
Just Turkish bread. It's probably called a semmet.
No, it's not.
They give it to you for free. It's delicious. Although it's burning my hands. But it comes with 3 dipping sauces. So this is a dipping sauce. I'm no Mark Wiens, but I think there's tomato in here. I would just eat this for dinner. And this looks like a mayonnaise.
No, it's yogurt.
Huh. It's a yogurt with like dill in it. And this is hummus, which everybody knows, with olive oil. Which sauce is the best?
I think this is red peppers.
Red pepper pesto sauce. On Seinfeld, they said you can't dip your bread back in the sauce.
Yes, you can.
No. I like my bread plain. The pepper's a little spicy. Or maybe with the yogurt. We should have get a bag of bread to take home.